Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. This lake here. So without any further ado, what's that, Mookie? Mookie says get on with the show. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake, or in this case, Appies with Chappy in the lake. So I got my chopped Italian sliders for appetizer. See here how I made them. All right, for Appies with Chappy by the lake, I'm going to make a chopped Italian slider. I got the idea from the Spud Jr. in Grand Forks, Minnesota. They had a hoagie where they basically did like a chopped Italian salad with Italian cold cuts and cheeses. It was like a salad, and they put in a hoagie bun. I'm just going to put it in my little slider. I got some Hawaiian Bun, so I'm going to make them like sliders so we can have them for appetizers. So again, this is just sort of like a Italian salad with cheese and salami. So I'm going to go a little bit of romaine lettuce, and then I have cut up some cucumbers, tomatoes, and celery. I got some artichoke hearts that have been marinated in olive oil. And then I have Kalamata and green olives. And then we'll go a little bit of pine nuts just to give it a little bit of crunch. Pine nuts are very Italian. They call them pinoli's. And then I got some cut up salami and fresh mozzarella cheese. And then I got a little bit of lemon pepper Caesar dressing. And we'll go a little bit of red wine vinegar. Sort of like that Italian sub flavor. Get a little mix up. Oh, you can hear those Canadian geese outside. All right, I got my Hawaiian dinner rolls. Okay, try to get a little bit of everything in there. So to go with my chopped Italian sliders, we need a drink. This is called a Caribeno. I believe it originated in Puerto Rico. So I got my Tiki mug full of crushed ice. We got 2 2 ounces of rum. I'm using Sailor Jerry's today. And then 1 ounce of fresh lime. I just have the bottled stuff today. I got Nellie and Joe's famous Key West lime juice. So we'll go about 1 ounce of lime. And 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And then 4 ounces of coconut water. And that is a Caribeno. Got a nice, lovely umbrella garnish. So I got my Caribeno and my chopped Italian sliders. That's Appy's with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching this edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar, and we'll see you next time.